introducing our President and CEO, Mr. Hanif. And I would like to inform about Mr. Hanif. Mr. Hanif, actually, he has been in education for about maybe 20 years. So all his life, actually, has been dedicated to education, not only academically, but also he's heavily involved in the industry type of education. And he has several institutions providing professional training through training schools all around the world, not only in the United States, Bangladesh, United Kingdom, India. And Professor, as you know, we have extremely outstandingly quality faculty body, professor body at iGlobal University. But what makes you different from traditional universities, research universities, that you all come from the industry. You all represent the industry. Not only you have some academic background, but also you have significantly, I mean, this is not only our requirement, but this is our regulatory agency's requirement, the agencies that we are affiliated with. So to have you as a faculty, you have to have at least minimum of 4-year industry experience, which you all are coming from the field. So similarly, Mr. Hanif is actually representing the core industry, not only educating, training people, but also he is also representing the industry as a businessman. So he's definitely adding a significant and outstanding value to iGlobal University, and we are glad to have him. And his vision, his mission is going to help us improve. So, Mr. Hanif, please, the stage is yours. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. It's very nice to see you all in this orientation. Definitely, you know, we will be working together so that the betterment of the students. And in the traditional university, as you see, people graduate from university and they get the degree, and then they struggle with getting job. Once they will be applying for the job, they apply for entry-level job. So as a result, ROI is not there. Return on investment is not there. There are 3 problems I would be mentioning, the severe problems. And if we can solve those and work on it, maybe we can create the model so that others could follow us. And I'm from electronic engineering background, and then I did my master's in computer science from New York, and worked multiple companies in the corporate environment, including Oracle Corporation, IRS, IBM, Northrop Grumman, DoD, Department of Defense. So I gathered informations or how the industry works. And one thing I found that skill is matters, experience is matters. Without skill, without experience, there is no way people can contribute. Number one problem, when people finish their bachelor degree or master degree, by the time they finish their bachelor or master degree, 60, 70, 80 or $100,000 student loan on their shoulder. With that, people look for entry-level job. Once they cannot get the entry-level job, they move to different field so that they can survive. And this is what I was seeing last 20 years with my People and Tech Institute of Information Technology Skill Development Training Institute program, which is also under SCHEV, regulated by SCHEV, and then also BPSS in New York City, Department of Education. People with good GPA even, they were coming to me, and then they were spending $5,000–6,000, spending another 4 to 6 months, and then they can start with maybe mid-level or senior level job. This way I did it for more than 7,000 people. So that doesn't surprise me when people finish their bachelor degree or master degree and then come here for 4 to 6 months and then get mid-level to senior level job. But what surprised me is people with bachelor degree, master degree, not in IT, from different countries. They come here and then they learn. And they are doing like odd job, which is $10, $15 an hour job. And I never thought that $60,000 job they will be, doing. But when they come here and they also take the similar training and got six-figure job, that little bit surprised me. But the most surprising part is people with high school graduate and Uber driver, taxi driver, restaurant worker, housewife, and even barely speak English. When they join my program also and they successfully, achieve the certificate plus also got job, like similar type of job, that surprised me. So in my class, bachelor degree, master degree, even PhD, and high school graduate, non-technical background. So we treated everyone in the same. So we created some type of environment so that each and it can serve each and everyone. It is not hard for anyone. It is not easy for anyone. It's similar, and that's how we were successful. And I was thinking that in this country, when even people got job at a senior level, and when they will be going for managerial or CTOs, CEO, or a project manager or management, more responsible job, they look for degree also. So maybe bachelor degree, master degree, or some kind of thing. So what if we can get a university where we'll be giving degree, skill, and job? So that can solve the problem. Return on investment will be there. Whatever the student will be putting like in a financial wise, if they can get job mid-level or senior level job, that model would be wonderful. And second thing is, as a CEO of the company, multiple companies, when we hire entry-level people, what we do, we utilize our resources and we pay them salary. And then our environment, they learn everything. After 6 months, 1 year, when they move to different projects, different company, then we said that, oh, our return on investment is not there. And it's not, it looks like a body shop that we are preparing people and they are leaving us. So as a result, that discourages us. As it is discouraging me, definitely it will be discouraging for everyone. As a result, you will see different job searching engine. You will see Monster, Dice, Career Builder, Indeed. You will see no more entry-level jobs positions available. They are looking for at least 1 to 3 years of experience, and this is what they were doing it. And as a result, since entry-level jobs are not there, so students are not getting ROI. Number 3 I can mention is in United States of America, every year they are hiring or they are sponsoring or issuing 85,000 visa, skilled visa, skilled worker. So skilled worker are coming from different countries every year, 85,000. Whereas our citizens and green card holder, when they finish their bachelor degree and master degree, they are not getting job. So what is the gap? Gap is skill gap. Skill is not there. So if we can produce a skilled worker, then we don't need to. United States doesn't need to bring 85,000 H-1B worker from different countries. So keeping those things in my mind, if we can set up each and our lab, our course curriculum, and each and everything such a way that people will be learning from our classroom settings, and if we can create the replica of work environment in the classroom settings, then it will work, and then people will be learning such a way that they can be happy, and the return on investment will be there. So this is very important. And since I am from industry, and if our teachers, it is a blessing for us that our faculty and professors, they have at least 4 to 30 years of experience, so they know that what industry is looking for. For example, AWS, DevOps, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, right? Those are hot in the market. IoT. So if we can customize those things and then prepare them such a way that people could be contributor, student could be contributor from the first day, that would be great. Our criteria should be like this. Let's say 4 months to 6 months we were taking to develop people's skills and then helping them get job. But right now we have 4 years for bachelor degree. In master degree, 1.5 to 2 years. So we have plenty of times to prepare them. What we'll be teaching will be maybe from the first quarter, we'll be teaching them, it could be database, networking, and then software development, right? At last year, we will be asking them, okay, what is your choice of career, or which one do you like? Where you want to go to database or networking or software development? Then we'll be emphasizing them, and then it is possible to make them SME, subject matter expert, on their choice of career. So in that case, we can help them getting a job. We have consultancy firm like People and Tech LLC, People and Tech Institute, and also there are some other companies that we have, which is IT related, plus also now university, right? So as a result, whoever will be graduating from here, international students, we can help them gaining knowledge on CPT, and then OPT, and H1B, and then eventually we can also offer them green card, means we can sponsor them for green card if they willing to stay here. That's one. And second thing, local student, we want to emphasize on local student too, so that basically we can help them out the way we help in People and Tech Institute Information Technology. In this fourth industrial revolution, it is pretty much needed. Basically, skill is pretty much needed. So we want to create the replica of one work environment in the classroom setting, so that we can connect industry and academia, and integrate industry and academia. And this is possible. And from next quarter, I will be working on lab settings, and which each and every faculty members, and definitely I will be working with you and getting all those criteria or curricula, and based on that I will be setting up, and we'll be working together. And within 1 or 2 years, it is possible to show our expertise, and then create the model, so that other people can follow it, and we will be contributing in the mainstream. That's my goal, and anytime I will be available and working with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Hanif. Appreciate